Hi, today I'm here with one of our IELTS candidates. Basically, I'm gonna take an IELTS speaking mock test. So, watch the video till then. What's your name, please?
My name is Tanvir Ahmed.
So, Tanvir, at the very beginning of your speaking test, I would like to ask you some basic questions related to your personal information. Do you like sports?
Yeah, sure. I like sports because they help us stay active and refresh our mind after a long day of hard work.
Okay. What sport do you play or watch?
I mostly play cricket, but I also watch football, especially international matches.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes I go jogging, and other times I play some sort of outdoor games with my friends.
Okay. So, is sport really important to you?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Sports is really important because they help us to be fit and it reduces our mental pressure, stresses, and also help maintain a healthy lifestyle.
So this is the end of your first part. Now we are moving to part 2. Here you have a topic and you will have to speak for 2 minutes. Basically, I'm gonna give you topic and you can also take some notes if you want. So here is your topic. Your topic is describe a sport you enjoy. So you have to describe what it is, how you learned it, and why do you enjoy it, and its benefits as well. So if you really want to take some notes, you can also. Here is this. So your time's up. You may begin.
Uh, if you really want me to tell you about one sport that I really like, then I'll tell you about cricket. Um, it is one of the most popular sports in my country, and I have been interested in it since my childhood. Uh, I first learned cricket by playing with my friends in my neighborhood. At the very outset, we used simple equipments like a tennis ball and a wooden bat. Over time, I became more familiar with the rules and the techniques by watching professional matches on TV. Um, I really enjoy cricket because it is both exciting and strategic. Every match is different. And the outcome can be changed at any moment, which keeps me engaged. Moreover, I admire the teamwork that involved in cricket, as every player has a specific role to play. In terms of benefits, cricket improves our physical fitness, particularly stamina and coordination. It also develops our mental skills like concentration and decision making capabilities. Uh, it also teaches us the significant values of discipline, teamwork, passions, and togetherness.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of your part 2. Now I'd like to ask you some question from part 3. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So why are sport important in society?
Sports go far beyond entertainment. They function as a powerful social institution. Firstly, they improve public health, which reduces the overall burden on our healthcare system. Secondly, uh, sports can function as a tool for the social inclusion. People from different economic or cultural backgrounds can participate on equal terms.
Okay, thank you. Should schools focus more on sports?
Actually, I wouldn't say school should focus more on sports rather than academics. Uh, Rather, there definitely needs to be a better balance approach in many education system, especially in developing countries. Um, Educational or academic achievements is prioritized to such an extent that physical development is neglected.
Okay, so how do sports bring people together in your opinion?
Sports is such a type of thing that shared a platform where differences become less important, less significant. Moreover, when people support the same team, their social, cultural, or political differences tend to fade, at least temporarily. Moreover, sports often encourage collective participation, whether it's watching a match together or playing in local tournaments. Thus, this fosters a sense of belonging and community spirit.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of your IELTS speaking mock test. You did really well, and hopefully you will also do best in your IELTS real exam. We wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.